develop and create more abilities, capacities, and capabilities. And especially first thing is that this is English medium school and we should learn English language anyhow. And it will be better for us. And I am giving you one tips how to overcome a language. How to overcome a language, how to become a speaker of English language, and how to be expert on English language. Four things you must do. If you promise and if you do continuously four things, definitely I can guarantee, inshallah, within a few days, you can be expert on English language and you can communicate with each other in English language. First thing is that you read more and more English language. You read. First thing is that reading. First thing? Reading. So whatever books you have or anything you have, whenever and wherever you found any text in English language, you must read it. At least 2-3 times. Loudly you read. And all the books are in English language. Most of the books you have in English language, previous books or any books, you read more and more. Your English will come. Definitely, I can guarantee. If any student there says that I read more and more, but I am not learning. So, what will be the solution? You come to me, I will give. Definitely, you can get benefits. First thing what to do? Reading more and more. Reading? You tell reading more and more. Loudly, reading more and more. Second thing, writing more and more. Writing. So what is writing? You should understand. Writing is not that whatever teachers are writing on board and you are writing in your copy. Whatever written in your books and you are writing in your copy, that is not called writing. That is not called writing. So what is called? That is called copy. Don't copy, but you try to write. You think something. What did you do today? And how do you spend today? How did you spend yesterday? What did you do last night? How was your meeting with your friends? How was your first day in school? Everything, whatever you think, you try to write in your diary or in your copy. This is called writing. This is called writing. At least 2-3 sentences every day you write related to your life, related to your daily life. Understood or not? So first thing reading. First thing? Reading. Second thing? Writing. Third thing is listening. Third thing is listening. So you always, if you want to learn English language, so that's why you must listen to English language. If you find anyone speaking English language, you try to listen to him or her. And if you find some friends are speaking Bengali, don't listen to them. Otherwise you will learn Bengali language. Okay? So Bengali or Sylheti, do you need to learn Sylheti from school? No. If you want to learn Sylheti or your local language, you can learn from your house. Your ma, your chachi, your dadi, all are speaking Sylheti language. But what? So that's why you came here to learn English language. That's why we should listen to which language? English. So if you find that your friends are speaking Sylheti, you scold them, you stop them, you ignore them. Don't join with them. You tell them speak English. And if anyone is speaking English language, you listen to him, listen to her. Listen to him and listen to her. Do you know what is the difference between listening and hearing? Not to hear but to listen. Hear means sounds automatically is coming to your ears. That is called hearing. Not to hear but listen. If anyone is speaking, for example, teachers are speaking English language, you try to listen to him. Listen to her. And try to. So third thing, 3 things you have got. First thing reading. First thing? Reading. Second? Writing. Third? Listening. And fourth thing is speaking. Fourth thing? Speaking. So you speak more and more. Speaking comes by the speaking. If you speak more and more, definitely you can be speaker. Don't care them you are going to get a mistaken one. Okay, understood. Without caring, the person who is in front of you knows English or not, but you must speak. You must. Today you promise that whenever and who will be entering inside the school campus, we will never speak other language, only we will speak English language. Those students who do not know English language, those students, sincerely tell, those students who do not know English language, you raise your hand. I will tell, and I will tell how to know. Those who don't know, you have a problem? Okay, raise your hand. Many students raise, no problem. This is your weakness, you have grabbed it, good. But this is your misconception. Who told that you don't know English language? You know English language. If I ask you something, you can tell. What is the English of gas? Tree. Jal. Cha. Kapur. Vidyalay. বই, কলম, বন্ধু, শিক্ষক। Do you know English language? Who told that you don't know English language? So that's why, yes, 50% you know words, many words you know, vocabularies you have, but you don't know how to put it into practice, how to make sentence. Because why? Lack of proper knowledge about grammar, lack of grammar knowledge, tenses. So you are unable to make sentences. Don't worry, and nothing to read about it. Whatever you know, just only no need to correct sentence, just only you speak. For example, আমার জল দাও, সামান্য জল দাও, keep me water. Like this, you don't speak Bengali. And if you speak English language, if you are unable to make a proper and full sentence, don't worry. Just only whatever you know,